For years, I thought I was searching for healing, but maybe I was also searching for permission to live. This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 176. For a long time, I believed healing was the destination, a place you eventually reach, a place where everything makes sense, where old patterns disappear, where life finally begins. But recently, I started noticing something different. Life was already here. I was simply learning how to participate in it again, how to explore, how to move, how to be curious, how to notice, how to enjoy being alive. For years, I spent a lot of time in survival, and survival can be necessary. It can protect us, it can help us endure, it can help us adapt. But survival is not the same as living. At some point, the nervous system may become ready for something more, not perfection, not certainty, life, real life. Conversations, movement, relationships, new experiences, unexpected moments, simple moments. Sometimes healing does not arrive as a breakthrough. Sometimes it arrives as curiosity, as a walk, a new place, a conversation, a feeling that the world is becoming interesting again. And maybe that is an important sign, not that suffering disappeared, not that every problem was solved, but that life begins pulling us forward again. I sometimes imagine my 80-year-old self looking back at this period. I do not think he would ask whether everything worked out. I think he would simply say, "Thank you. Thank you for giving life another chance. Thank you for staying curious. Thank you for showing up." Because maybe healing was never about becoming someone else. Maybe it was about returning to life. If this resonates, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. It helps the channel grow. Thank you.